When you live at Canoe Creek, a premier gated community in Southwest Florida, you may not always know where the day will lead, but you'll always know that something fantastic is waiting for you around every corner. Winding streets lead you and your furry friend past smiling neighbors and manicured lawns to the dog park. The perfect place to enjoy happy faces and wagging tails. Good boy, Max. The sounds of 4 pickleball courts invite you to join the fun. With an activities director and a daily events calendar, Canoe Creek brings neighbors together.
Come join us!
At the gathering place, outdoor laplands are waiting for you to take a refreshing swim. Here you can really take a break from it all. Just add a little sunshine and a glass of iced tea, and who knows, you might feel so energized, you decide to take that class at the fitness center too. Whether you're walking your kids home from school or enjoying some fun at nearby Fort Hamer Community Park, there's no shortage of gorgeous scenery to lead you back to what matters most. These charming urban farmhouse and coastal-inspired residences will spark the imagination. The quality architectural elements define a style that is both classic and modern. Every room feels like it was made for you. Thanks to brilliantly designed floor plans. Every bit as elegant and generous to suit your family's needs. My favorite room is our open space gourmet kitchen. It's the heart of our home, where friends and family are always welcome. His favorite spot?
Grilling on the lanai.
The cheery sounds of laughter and clinking glasses lead you to one of many memorable evenings where neighbors and friends come together to share a drink and a story about where life has led them that day. And when life's daily activities are done, you can rest, relax, and rejuvenate in your new home. No matter where you've gone or what you've experienced, you'll be glad life led you to a place that's full of thoughtful homes, exciting amenities, and friendly neighbors. Come home to Canoe Creek and love where life leads.